Alright, so let me guys tell you something. The world runs on software. And frankly, being a programmer nowadays is extremely valuable. Not only valuable, but it actually pays really well. Alright, so here's the thing. How do you actually get started in software development? Let me get back to you guys.
Put a spell on you.
Alright, let's start this video. So here's the thing about software development. If you're the type of person that doesn't like consistently learning, then honestly, you're gonna have a really bad time. I actually don't like this anymore. Let me change this. Alright, that's a lot better. So please note that, guys, this video is mainly aimed for newbies, for people who haven't done any sort of programming and don't really know where to start. Oh, Jesus, alright. Do you guys hear me? Let me show you guys the holy grail of programming. This is where you should start. So C programming, you guys need to understand something. Before doing any related type of programming, you have to learn the fundamentals. And what are those fundamentals really? You guys have to learn about data types, arrays, functions, conditionals, control flow, a bit of memory management, and Bucky actually teaches you all of that. So I really suggest you guys get started with C programming and take a look at the whole playlist. So guys, before you do anything, do this please. Do yourself a favor. I actually ran out of battery yesterday, and so that sucks because I lost a bunch of footage. Meanwhile, I thought I was filming. So today I'm gonna finish this video. I hope you guys enjoy, but before finishing the video, I have to go to work, and I work until 4.
I'm sorry, corn.
Hi, can I just get a farmer's wrapper with bacon, please?
No hash browns?
No, thank you.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah.
55.15.
Thanks.
No problem.
Hey. Yeah. Have a good day.
Starlight in the hotel.
Alright, so I'm finally done work. It was a long day, but you know, I enjoy it a lot more than where I used to work. Now I work at a bank, for those who are wondering, and it's nice, it's really nice. And so now I'm gonna head home and finish this video, guys, so I'll see you home. Alright, so let's continue this video, guys. So you guys are probably wondering, should I get a good computer, or what type of computer should I get? This question I get all the time. I think I get it at least once a day on Instagram. You don't need the most amazing computer out there. You don't need a $3,000 computer to program. Honestly, guys, if you want a concrete answer, you need a computer, maybe you would need an i5 just for future proof. And yeah, I suggest you guys get at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now, with that being said, if you guys are looking to do mobile development, iOS more specifically, you guys are going to need a Mac. So yeah, you're gonna have to spend the money, but if you're really into iOS, then you pretty much have like no choice. Now, this pretty much leads me to the next subject. Pick a platform. I personally decided to go with web after a very long year of iOS development. I just simply went for web because I saw that there's a huge demand for it in the market. If you guys take a look at the web industry, JavaScript is always in top 3 languages that are most in demand. So just keep that in mind. Now, with this being said, there are a few things that you guys have to take into consideration. First of all, learn the basics. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Since you guys did the programming in C course with Bucky, you guys should have no problem learning JavaScript. C is actually really complex compared to JavaScript, so you guys are well prepared. Now, let me show you something. The number one rule in development is to learn how to use Google, please. If you don't know how to search, it's just going to become hectic. Make sure you know how to surf the web and you know how to search the web for specific topics that you need help with. Let's go on the computer because I want to show you guys a few things. Now, let's go on Google. As a programmer, you guys have to know how to search. So for example, a few days ago, I had a few questions about get element by ID versus query selector. So here's what I did. I simply searched JavaScript query selector versus get element by ID. Your number one friend is going to be this website, Stack Overflow. In Stack Overflow, guys, you pretty much ask other programmers for questions. Make sure it's specific. Make sure sometimes you give snippets of examples and someone will eventually reply with an answer. You can declare the answer as the right answer and so on. Make sure you guys get familiar with this website because this is pretty much the Bible of programming. Now, with that being said, a second website that you guys are going to be constantly using is GitHub. You guys have to know GitHub inside out. Think about GitHub as the Facebook for programmers type of thing. When you can showcase your projects, you can open source them, share your code, do a bunch of cool things with GitHub. The purpose of this video is not to teach you guys how to code. Just make sure you know how to search for things, and I promise you guys overall you'll be fine. And make sure you follow all these steps that I've given to you. As a developer, the most important things is to know how to look for things, how to be autonomous. I think that's the number one skill. And learn how to learn. Actually, learn how to study by yourself without having a teacher in front of you teaching you things, because that's what it comes down to. I still have a lot of things to go through, so believe me guys, I don't know everything, but I'm giving you guys the tips that have helped me, and I wish someone gave me these tips when I first started off. It's kind of getting late for myself because I have to start studying for my exam on Saturday. I have an operating systems exam, so please wish me luck. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care guys, peace.